Hey, here we are in another session to learn everything you want to know about QR codes. Not having a QR code is a loss of opportunity, as they give a digital dimension to your products and services. Let's learn more together.
Dynamic QR codes are very powerful. You can change the URL behind your QR code and you can track the data of your scans in real time. Dynamic QR codes are essential to business success. In this video, we are going to learn more about a type of dynamic QR code: App Store QR codes. App Store QR codes are dynamic QR codes that redirect users to different URLs based on whether the device is running an Android OS or Apple's iOS. When Bob scans on an iPhone device, he will go to a URL for iPhone users. And when Susie scans on an Android device, she will go to a URL for Android users. You won't need multiple QR codes for various reasons. One is enough to do everything. Creating an App Store QR code with QR Tiger is easy. Let's see how it works. First, go to https://www.qrcode-tiger.com and click on App Stores. Input the URL for iPhone and the URL for Android. Click on Generate QR Code. This feature only works for users with a paid account, so make sure you're logged in with your account. Customize your QR code. Choose a pattern. Choose the eyes. Add a logo. And then, set the colors. Once done, click on the green download button. The QR code will be downloaded in the background. Then, you will be redirected to the Track Data page. Let's take a closer look in the Track Data page. On the left, you will find the menu of all the different categories of all campaign data. For each row of QR code, you can edit the campaign name or delete the campaign if needed. Here, you can see the total number of scans. You can choose to edit the URLs you've set for an iPhone or Android device. You can download a PNG or SVG format of your code. And lastly, you can examine the data of your QR code. In the data page, you can see the total number of scans for each of your URL. You can group the data by 1 day, 1 week, months, or year. In the bottom section, you can also see the number of scans per location and device. Have fun creating your App Store QR code. Cheers!
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn with us more how to apply QR codes successfully.